Who's got you, Grump? Who's got you, Grumpers? Huh? Who's got you? You through pouting now? Ben's here. Ben got out of work and came to spend some time with you. You better appreciate this man. He was pouting. Ben, Carla and I were almost in tears. He had his nose over here in the corner, pushing on the glass and looking up at me and pouting. And then I sat back so he couldn't see me. And Carla was sitting in the chair over there. So he stood up and he was like begging Carla to take him out. It was so cute. He loves the cage out here, the enclosure. This way it'll be cooler for him during the day out here. She broke her butt putting that door up today. Well, actually, she did almost all of it. No, Grump. No, no. No, no. They love it out here. The humidity's perfect for them. Grumpy Grump. Hey. Hey. Lydia's up there prowling behind me. Grumpy Grump, you happy now you got your friend? You happy you got your friend? Yes. Aw, snake kisses. You got your friend, Grump? It was hot out here till she got that screen door up.
Hey.
You got your friend, Grumpy Grump? I think you made a friend for life, Ben. He's trying to find something to get in. Oh, there's a snake over here. That's Lydia. She's not a boa, she's a ball python. She's pretty, huh, Grump? Isn't she pretty? He just found Lydia. How cute. Is that Lydia? Look at him. Isn't she a pretty girl, Grumpy? And that's Ginger down there underneath Lydia's cage. Isn't she pretty? Look at him, look at her. Is that a snake? See, you're not the only one in the house anymore since your mate died. There are plenty more of you. You're not the Lone Ranger. Oh, he just found Ginger now. What's that? Did you find Ginger? He's checking out all the snakes. Ah, that's cute. Grump. His tail's hanging. To pull my tail up, please. I'm looking at Lydia. Uh-oh, Grumpy's found a girlfriend. Oh dear. Lydia hasn't noticed. Yep, she just noticed him too, look. How about that? You got some cool neighbors out here, Grumpy. What do you think? Is she pretty? Is that a pretty snake? Grumpy Grump. He's so beautiful. Look at those colors. Grumpy Grump. Tell Ben to turn around so I can see your head. There you are. Nope. Sorta. Kinda. Here's a Grump. God, they're 20 years old. These two. Nosey would be, but she died. 20 years. Grumpy Grump. If I get on the floor, you're gonna come see me? Let's see what you do. Hi. Hi, Grump. So all these pretty snakes over here. Oh my goodness. Look at these other pretty snakes. Huh. What do you think? You like them? They're pretty? And people think snakes are antisocial and they prefer to be alone. Look at him, he likes Lydia. Grumpy, Lydia's not a boa, honey, and Lydia's a ball python. Oh, he likes her. You like Lydia? Huh? You like Lydia? And Ginger? He loves it out here. He's so happy out here. Look at you. Look at that beautiful man. Oh, yes, he's such a handsome man. Yes, you are. You're a handsome boy. Yes, you are. Not enough money in the world to buy him. Or any of my snakes for that matter. Look how beautiful. You're just so handsome. How about that? You got all these females living in cages across from yours. He's like, oh wow, look at all these snakes. He couldn't see the other snakes where their double cages were in there because they were on the same wall with most of them. So now he can see the other snakes better out here. There's Ginger up there. Look at him. He's so curious. What you got? You got a girlfriend? You got a girlfriend, Grumpy? Huh? People that just keep their snakes locked in cages and never take them out. I feel so sorry for those snakes. I can see it if you're a breeder because they don't handle them a lot because they're keeping them for one purpose, and that's to breed them and produce new genetics and stuff. But gosh, I just hate to see them live like prisoners, locked in a glass tank all the time. They miss out on so much. You stuck on that one? You like that one? Yeah. See, we make just as good a pet as a cat or a dog does. We do. Huh. You just made his day, Ben. Ben, make your day. He came out, got out of work and came to take you out and hold you and love you. He really likes Ginger and Lydia. Look at him. Back up to Lydia. He's got his eyes on her. Yep. You like Lydia? Huh? Is she a pretty girl? Yep, there he goes. Huh. He's so big. Look at him. He's so beautiful. He really likes Lydia. Oh dear me. What are we gonna do with you? I edited that video this morning, put it up.
Yeah.
When we brought the snakes out. It came out really good, I thought. You like Lydia, huh? You like her? I love Ben. I love Ben. Did you ever think you'd have a big ass snake for a good friend like that? You just made his day. He could see us out here working, putting the screen door up on the outside of the snake room.
Yeah.
He was watching us going back and forth and begging for us to pay him some attention. So we'd stop and talk to him, open the door and pet him a little bit, and then he'd try to come out, so I had to close the door back up so he couldn't come out because we were busy. I am one out with the tools and everything out here. You after my foot? You after my sandal? You like my sandal? It's not a rat. You can't eat my foot. Grubby grub. He's not heavy for you?
No.
He pretty much holds himself. Vicious, isn't he? Can't you tell? Guess what? Carla. Chewy has a crush on Lydia. Yes. Look at him. He's just noticed he can see all these other snakes out here, and he went right to Lydia and just kept staring at her.
You mean Grumpy, I assume.
I meant Grumpy, yeah. What'd I say?
Chewy.
I'm tired. I'm sorry, Grump. Look, he loves Lydia.
I'm sure it's full of wood chips.
Look at him. You like that girl, huh? Say, well, my girlfriend's gone. I need another one, Mom. Oh, Lord, Grumpy's got a thing for Lydia. I'm sorry I called you Chewy. It's a compliment. You shouldn't feel insulted. Look at him. He really likes Lydia. She is pretty, isn't she, Grumpy? And there's Ginger. He's checking everybody out. Where's Ava? Watching TV still? Yeah. Ben just made your day, huh? Look at that.
Is it okay to take him outside?
No. Well, I guess I
The
don't know.
sun's not shining.
No, but the ground's moist this time of the day.
Not really. I've been out the dark a few times.
Yeah, okay, I guess we can. Look at that handsome boy. Look at that handsome boy. Give me some tongue. Give me some tongue. There you go. Give me some tongue. Can I see your tongue? Give me your tongue. There it is. There it is. You want to go outside for a little while? Want to go out? Want to go outdoors? Ben's toy. I love the color, obviously. My house is full of teal. It's real pretty. How long you had that one?
Got in February.
Did you?
Yeah.
What'd you do with your black one? Does he? Yeah. You gonna hang on to it or you gonna sell it?
Probably hang on to it.
Yeah. Ooh, sun's in my face. Grumpy, come here. Come here, girl. Carla's over there in the car. She's smart. I'm sitting on the wet ground.
I'm worn enough from sweating to death all day. I don't need to sit in
Hey, Grumpy. Hey, Grumpy Grump. I think you got a friend for life there. What do you think, Carla?
Yep.
Yep.
I can
You're something, Grumpy. You're something else, buddy. Nah, he's more than a snake. He's looking at what's over here? Something's got his attention. Doesn't take much.